Premiere Pro has several tools that you can use to help you color correct with AI. I'm here in my Chapter 1.3 sequence, and you can find this within the Leveraging AI Premiere Pro project panel. Just double-click the Chapter 1 folder and double-click the 1.3 sequence to load it here into the timeline. In order to access the color correction tools that we'll be working with, let's switch our workspace. I'll head over to the Window menu, and we'll go over to Workspaces, Color. On the right-hand side, we should now see the Lumetri color panel that's available to us. If you're curious to know how I got this label to appear on the top right-hand corner of the interface, if you go to the Workspaces icon, you can choose to show a workspace label or show all of the Workspaces tabs that you can work with and then click between. I'll click back on the workspace icon to choose Show Workspace Label. We can automatically color correct any clip with AI by having it selected in our timeline, which is automatic within this workspace. And from the Lumetri color panel, simply clicking on the Auto Correction button. What you might have noticed is just beneath this, all of the parameters have now been adjusted for the automatic correction based on the colors that it's picked up within this shot. Just to see the before of that, I'll click on this little toggle icon to show you the original shot. And this is the basic color correction that is now done within that shot. Let's see this by selecting the next clip here in the timeline, which automatically gets selected, clicking the Auto button, which now enables the toggle and adjusts all of the basic correction properties within the Lumetri color panel. I'll now click on the last clip and just repeat that step. At any point in time, we can take any of the adjustments that the AI color correction has done and make changes to that in order to have it match additional clips in our sequence. Also, we do have the option of trying to match one particular shot to another. It just so happens that I have two shots here, shot at different points during a sunset, and I'd like to match them better. In the Lumetri color panel, I'll close out the basic correction tab and head over to the color wheels and match. In order to work with this efficiently, I'll load up what's called comparison view. The magic of this is that we can see the current clip that we're working with on the right-hand side, but then choose a number of different reference clips by simply clicking on these icons to go to the previous or before edit. Once we've chosen the edit that we'd like to match to, so in this case, this is the reference that I'd like to use, and I'd like to match it to my current edit, I can click on Apply Match. And it will take the color information from this shot and try to apply it to this additional shot here. To see this in action again, I'll move my playhead in the timeline to load another current shot, which has a very different sun look because it's filmed in a different location, and ask it to sample color from this reference shot here, the first shot within the timeline, and press Apply Match. As we can see, this correction didn't suit this environment, so at any point in time, we can use a variety of different sections of the Lumetri color panel to perfect the look. In addition, when performing automatic color correction, there is one other panel that you might want to bring up, which is your Lumetri scopes. Now, this is beyond this course. Different scopes reveal information about the frame of the shot that you're currently looking on. Depending on the scope that you're looking at is going to reveal certain information about the clip, which can help you balance or add a stylistic color grade. Those are the two different color options that you can use inside of Premiere Pro, driven by AI, to assist you with your color grading and color correction workflow.